Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. You watching Technical Minute with Animation. How to recover deleted files using Recover. We delete files by mistake, don't we? And while deleting is easy, recovering them isn't. Luckily there are free file recovery tools available. Recover is one of them. It's a pretty useful and feature-rich tool which can recover the files you deleted by mistake. It is free to download and easy to use. Besides Windows computers, it also supports removable media like smart media, secure digital cards, memory stick, digital cameras, Sony memory sticks, compact flash cards, and many more. Note: according to Recover developers, it can recover data from a formatted drive too. It can also recover deleted mail from your mail client. It supports Microsoft Outlook Express, Mozilla Thunderbird, or Windows Live Mail. We haven't tested these features though. How to use Recover to recover deleted files. Step 1. Download, install and run the program on your computer. A welcome screen will appear. Click Next to proceed. Step 2. User left-click on Recover list item. Step 3. User left-click on Next button in Recover wizard. Step 4. User left-click on in a specific location radio button in Recover wizard. Step 5. User left-click on Browse button in Recover wizard. Step 6. User left-click on Jarvis G3 item in Browse for folder. Step 7. User left-click on OK button in Browse for folder. Step 8. User left-click on Next button in Recover wizard. Step 9. User left-click on Start button in Recover wizard. Step 10. User left-click on Select file in Paraform Recover. Step 11. User left-click on Recover button in Paraform Recover. Step 12. User left-click on Desktop tree item in Browse for folder. Step 13. User left-click on OK button in Browse for folder. Step 14. User left-click on OK button in Operation Completed. Link in description. Download Recover to recover deleted files. That's all in THS video. If you liked this video, share it like this, like how the video liked and comment on me. You get good day in your next video.